to create Bondex Origin account. So to create that, all you have to do is open up your Play Store and then on the search bar, search for Bondex. And after searching, you will find this app. So simply tap on install. So now after installing Bondex Origin, tap on open. So now after opening Bondex Origin, here you will have two options. One is sign up and another one is login. So if you want to create an account, then what you have to do is tap on sign up, and here you have to enter your email. And after entering your email, enter your password. And after entering your password, on the bottom side you have to re-enter your password to confirm it, and then you can tap on sign up, and that's it. You are ready to use your Origin account. So that's how you create an Origin account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.